The blonde girl on the other side was found by the doctor when she was searching the warehouse. The doctor took her to the killer and the big bear, and let the two decide to fight to death. Whoever wins will give the perfect bride to whoever. The two started to fight after hearing it. At this time, the father of the blonde girl took the opportunity to attack the doctor, knocked him out, then let the blonde girl hide first. The killer saw that the doctor was in danger and wanted to avenge him. But at this time, the big bear was very determined to fight the killer. He couldn't care about the father of the blonde girl at all. The two continued to fight to death. The father, who was originally ready to fight, could only take a step forward. The two continued to fight for the perfect bride. The big bear was in the lead because of his size, but he wasn't as cruel as the killer. The killer chose to leave after knocking him down. At this time, the father of the blonde girl finally found the yellow-clad woman. When he was about to save her, he was stabbed in the neck by the killer. At this time, the killer was completely crazy. When he found the trace of the big bear, he attacked him. Finally, he cut the big bear's neck with a knife. Then he took the big bear's body on a yacht. He was about to throw him into the sea. I didn't expect the big bear to be alive. The two entered the fierce fight again. At this time, a shark jumped out of the sea. The big bear who was standing by the ship was eaten by the shark for the first half of his life. The killer finally survived.